Welcome friends. Today we are start with the piping in Linux. So piping consists of three main commands: pipe, tn, xarg. So uh, we will find the each command with the example and details. So let's start. So I will show the example of pipe combining two commands like date. Date is given a current date and time. So I want today's day only from date command output. So let's start date. Then I will use cut command with the delimiter space and field 1. So I will get the day like this. You understand? The output of date command will be provided to the input to the cut command. So it combines both the commands and provide a single output like this. So similarly, we can use for analysis of logs. So we can use grep command. So like this, we got the particular lines containing the error. So we can analyze the particular log file and find the root cause analysis. So like this, you can use a pipe to combine the particular files. So let's start with the next command, the t command. So t command will, as a name suggests, it is a very useful command, and t command in Linux is used to read from a standard input and write to the both means standard output plus one or more simultaneously files like splitter. We can say it's a extension of pipe command. Like pipe command will just stream the data from one command to another command, but in t, in between, we can create output from that particular command, first command, and stored in file along with the combine to the second command as an input. So let's understand with the examples so you will get more understanding of t command. Let's start. Here we previously find log, right? Great. You remember this command where we pipe the two commands, but here we don't have any reference for future reference. We can store that data which containing the error word. So here t command will be in picture. So t and debug.txt. So all the output from this command will be stored in this debug.txt file along with the we can find number of lines like this. Let's see what will the output of debug file. See this. It contains error message along with the we got the number of lines with the pipe command, and t command give us a particular output file plus stream the data to the next command as an input. So you understand the exact use of the t command. So for example, we can create a multiple commands with the help of t commands, like for example ls, ls output of ls file we can store temp1.txt, temp2.txt, multiple files we can store at simultaneously with the t command. Let's see. So let's see the output of the both files. See this. So simultaneously we append the data, write the data into the particular files. So multiple files we can write. So in this way we can use a t command. So the last one is xargs. So xargs command is also a very huge useful command. So when xargs is as a, what is the main difference between xargs and t? You understand the t is provide as a pipe between two commands, but along with that it can store the streaming data into a particular file. So we have a footprints of particular output, but in xargs it will provide a standard input into a command line argument. For example, many commands do not accept the standard input. So where xargs come in picture? So let me show you the proper example. See this. For example, we have a date command, right? Date command output. But if you want to print the date command out with the help of echo command, it will not print, because echo command needs a command line argument. It will not take as a standard input. So if we want to provide date commands output to the echo command with the standard command line argument, then we can use xargs to provide convert that into command line argument. So let's see the magic. See this. So xarg is also a very important command where many commands do not accept the standard input. They need a command line argument as an input. Then we can convert that particular input into a command line arguments format. So let's see. I will provide one more example. Let's see. We want to find all text files. All these are text files in the current directory. So if you want to find the total number of word count in each file, so every time you need to execute this command and it will provide the count of each file. But you want to provide these all the files at a time and get the data from wc word count command. So let's check with the we can perform this action with the help of xarg. Let's see. This will provide you all the text file one by one. So this commands output, this ls star ext commands output will be provided in the command line format to the word count command. So it will count each file's number of words simultaneously as an argument of the name of the file as argument. So let's see the output. See this. So we get the word count of each file, but this function, this particular command will help you to get the output of particular command into a argument format. So each file name given as argument to this the word count command. So it is very helpful command to perform analysis of particular files, or we can say For example, one more example I will tell you. So if you want to delete particular files, so let's do with the rm command. So rm command will delete the file, but you want to delete all the text file from the current folder. Then xargs command will fetch all the text file and it will delete the particular files. With the help of xarg command, will provide all the files as a command line argument to the remove rm command. Let's see. All the text file deleted. No such a file deleted. So you understand the xargs command's usefulness. So let's understand deeply with the all the piping commands which help you to understand the log file and perform analysis, combination of particular commands and provide a single output, data processing, efficiency, a lot of things we can achieve with the piping. So these are the very important commands in piping, and eventually you performing analysis also. So xargs also similarly, it's a very efficient command with we can combine the multiple commands together to perform loops. It will help you in automation for performing scripting, and it also give flexibility, like we can use pipe command along with the xarg, and command substitution also you can perform with the help of xarg. So like this we will end with this particular and finally you come to know the uses of piping along with their references with the example. So let's sum up all the details. In short, today we learn a piping in Linux along with the three commands pipe, t, and xr. So all three commands have different function. Pipe combine the two commands. T combine two commands along with the providing simultaneously output of the particular first command or the command which is previously executed. And xargs is command which help you to convert the output of the first command into a command line argument. Mostly it is useful when the second command is not taking as a standard input, but it's required command line argument to run. So it is helpful in that situation. So you understand the piping in Linux today. So it will be helpful whenever you are performing Linux based analysis, log analysis. So thank you.